Hello Ofra Beauties, welcome back to Ofra's channel. It is Claim Paradise here, and girl, today we need to get into the summer fantasy. I am so excited to show you guys this collection. As you can see, my face is barren. There is no highlight, there's literally just bronzer and blush. Girl, we need to change that. Today we're going to be digging into the Summer Fantasy by Miss Ofra Cosmetics. So if you guys want to see Ofra's summer collection, then just keep on watching. So as you guys know, Ofra has some beautiful sickening highlights. For these two signature palettes, they literally were inspired by these highlighters to create these cute little color stories that I'm about to show you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited because girl, it is. Let glam take you on a vacay with the next season of our inspired signature collection. Okay! So we have two of their iconic signature palette collections inspired by the most sickening highlighters. And girl, that's a lot. Beachside and Getaway soak up the sun's energy and bring us full spectrum of bright and warm bronzy metallics. With new shades, Beachside featuring Star Island Highlighter and Getaway featuring Bali Highlighter, ready for action to create looks from graphic and bold to bronzy and smoky. The color story is definitely giving you very beachside, very with the girls, very July. Like, she's giving me July. She's giving me all the parties. She's giving me inner corners, like a cute little inner corner pop for all the parties. Yes. Now we have Getaway. And Miss Getaway is giving you summer bronze skin. Oh my god. Like, I see this and I see a night out. When everything's safe, I see this and I see a night out. I see this and I see a cute smoky eye with a cute nude lip that the collection comes with. Girl, that was a sickening transition. So they came with two lip glosses in the shade Bali and Bear, and I cannot wait to put on Bali because it looks like an amazing shade to go with the Ofra nude lips. This is what the girls needed, and this is a beautiful, just muted color, and girl, I am living. So the palettes do come with accompanying lip glosses, but which palette are we gonna get into today? We're obviously going to be doing a cute little test, see how they work, do a simple little cute look for you guys, live our little fantasy. We're going to be testing these two bad boys out, along with the lip glosses to see just how sickening they are. So we've been doing a lot of graphic lately, and I want to do a little smoky bronze moment, like just take it back to the old days, I'm gonna be going ahead and hopping into Miss Getaway right here. Miss Getaway's signature palette. She's giving you all of the bronzy tones, and I feel like I'm gonna hop into this highlighter a little bit just to illuminate the eye in the center. I don't know, but mainly we're gonna stick to Getaway. We wanna tone it down, show the girls that we could be glamorous, I'm gonna go hop into my favorite, as always, the Ofra eyeshadow primer. I actually really like this primer, so I'm just coating my little brush, just swiggling around, and you're just gonna throw some on to make sure that the eyeshadow lasts all day long, love. And I'm just going to take the little eyeshadow and I'm going to prime the little eyelid right there. Now I'm gonna take my Ofra 21 blending brush. I'm just gonna pop into Miss Eden right here, and I'm gonna use that to define the base right here. Okay, straight pigment out, straight, okay. And I'm just going to use that to buff that out and create that darkness that I want to smoke out, but not like night out smoke, more like brunch smoky eye. I'm going for a medium toned, baddie eye. And you just want to blend that in circular motions. And I'm slowly buffering it up. I'm going to take the shade Blaze right here, and I'm just going to use that as my transition color from here to inside because it's a lighter shade. So we're just going to use that to buff this out. Alrighty, now we're going to layer. So we're going to take this little shade right here, Miss Bali, and we're going to place her in the center. And then we're going to hop into Star Island to place on our inner tear duct. So let's put Miss Bali. Let's see. Oh, Miss Bali's pigmented. Oh my gosh, yes, look at how pretty. Oh, yes ma'am. And I'm applying her with an Ofra 11 synthetic flat brush, which I have been absolutely loving because it just makes my eyeshadows pop. And now, let's hop over to Miss Beachside, which, we're staying away from the graphic. We're trying not to be graphic today. And we're gonna hop into Star Island, and watch when I put that on the tear duct area, it's just gonna pop. You see? Oh, yes ma'am. Oh my god, yes, 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 yes. Blend that into Miss Bali. And this highlighter is very icy and just more on the cool tone. It's not as warm. So I really, really like that. I need to put that on my brow bone. And to do my tight line, I'm taking my favorite, the Ofra Verified Pen Liner. I have gone through too many of these to know how many I've gone through. But I absolutely love them. Me encantan, me fascinan. They're so, you see? Oh my god, they just give it to me every time. Look, as you can see, they're perfect for closing that eye in. So I'm literally in love. Like, look at how sickening. Let me curl the lashes. Let me do the little lash curl. A little lash curl. Oh, girl, next up, you already know some of my go-to favorite HD Volumizing mascara. She does volumize. You guys have seen it before. This mascara will make my tiny little baby lashes actually pop. We're gonna do the other eye off camera and do a little lash, and we're gonna see in 3, 2, 1. Voila! The doll is here! And the lashes are on and the eyeshadow still peeking through. Look at how beautiful that inner corner looks! Yes! So, along with her summer collection, Ofra... Along with her summer collection, Ofra also launched a little spray trio. So here we have the mini makeup fixer trio. And girl, she's sickening. So here we have their cute little trio, and we have their makeup fixer, their rose makeup fixer, and their mattifying makeup fixer. My personal favorite has always been the rose, just because I like the scent. It makes me feel like I am putting on perfume. And look at the sprayer. Yes! If you do a lot of setting spray, you know that a good sprayer comes in handy. And girl, this one just refreshes you up, gets you put together. As you can see, we have no highlights, so let's put on some highlights, shall we? But first, absolutely in love. The skin is wet. We're gonna jump into both highlighters in the palette. I love Bali as a little blush, just because it has that really cute warm undertone, and Star Island just gives you beaming. Get into your little Star Island fantasy dolls. You see how it just creates that little sheen? I love that I can control my own highlighter, because I hate a highlighter that it's either too little or too much. Like, I want to be able to build you up, and these absolutely do that, so period. And these are amazing for on the travel. I feel like signature palettes are so good for travel. I traveled, and I literally took 3 of my favorites, and they are so convenient, because you literally just store them and you have your highlighters with you, you have your bright shades. Like, for everyday travel, I feel like they're so convenient, and I absolutely love them for that. So just how to put that out there. And I'm smoking out my bottom lash line with Eden to give myself that baby girl under eye smoke realness. You guys can literally see the difference between this eye and this eye. Like, it just creates that illusion, and it's literally just a little bit of this shade smoked out. So definitely shouting her out, definitely giving her moment, because she's giving me my moment. And with the little highlighter, yes, me and my clinkers are living! Bali as a lip gloss. Whoever thought about this idea needs a raise, because that with Bel Air liquid lipstick is just going to look so sick. So I am most definitely going to be doing that. So let's go ahead and line my lips with Bel Air. Now we're gonna top it off with Bali lip gloss, and oh, stunning. She's giving you summer vacation in the Hamptons, very relaxed. I'm going to brunch with the girls. We're gonna go to spa day after this. Like, very that. Like, after this, I feel like doing some Ofra skincare. That's what I feel like doing. Like, look at the eye. Like, even the eyeshadow's peeking through the lashes. That's how you know. And Miss Bali, she's definitely giving you lip, and the lip matches the cheek. Like, what can we say except she delivered. She delivered. She walked the category. I am in love. It's a very easy, very smoky, bronzy, traditional summer look that I will be sporting to my couch. Absolutely knocked it out of the park. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like these palettes, you guys can shop them. The links will be down below. Make sure you tag Ofra in any of the looks that you guys create so they can repost you. Go get your little repost. Okay. Make sure you guys tag Ofra. Make sure you tag me if you decide to do this look so I can see it. But that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, thank you so much to Ofra for having me. And if you guys want to see more of me, you can follow me on @ClaimedParadise.